Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Every time I try to call, something keeps calling me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you.
Yeah, I know what this is.
Hey y'all, so welcome. Can you talk that loud ass fan?
That's why it's like Billy.
Don't talk about Billy, I get emotional. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title down below, I told y'all in this series is real raw, uncut situations going on. Just got off work.
You're right, boy. Uncut.
You trying to be literal? Fuck you, man. Cause he said today, y'all know I usually don't do this, but I've been on social media and on YouTube looking crazy. I told y'all I did a self-care day, a me day to get my eyebrows done, and my man was supposed to do it a long time ago. But here we are. Today we doing it. You don't care about being on camera, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't care.
I care very much.
Girl, you don't give a damn. He don't really give a damn. But stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. Yeah, he about to do this, so let's get straight into the video. So yes, y'all. Right now, baby is sleeping, and I'm just waiting for him to start on my eyebrows. Baby take over the whole house, all his stuff everywhere.
Okay. So small.
So small.
What Minora or Max?
What is it?
Razor.
So which one is better?
I don't know.
So right now, y'all can see my eyebrows is looking crusty. They've been looking crusty. Hair looking dusty. I might go and get my hair done tomorrow.
I use Mad Max.
Okay. Because it's a mad situation.
Mm-hmm. You know, I think it's a Bellevue patient, so Mad Max I talk about.
He gotta do all this, the preparation. I don't know where he going, but that dirty ass brush. What the fuck that brush be? What the fuck it be?
Let's put down that using.
Okay, y'all. So Scott, we gotta talk about something. So what you wanna talk about?
I'm okay. I need to focus.
he didn't focus. He don't need to be chatting. So yeah, y'all, I don't play about my eyebrows. So because of that, I really do think he needs to focus. But I thought it would be very entertaining to have a conversation while he cut my eyebrows. But I didn't really think that through, because now I don't really know what to talk about. And I don't want to get him off focus. Or I don't want to laugh.
I mean, I have talk, move up a job and make cut it.
How has fatherhood been treating you?
Rough.
Don't do my son like that. It ain't that damn rough to be like rough. So what's the most challenging part, I guess?
Lack of sleep.
Damn, I didn't finish. The fuck? So lack of sleep. But our baby sleep through the night. He just been having a few days. Don't do that. He just been having a few days.
Few off days. I need no work.
So how has it been being able, well, I guess parenting afar when we apart and parenting when we're here? How does that feel?
Let me know if you.
So like I know it's a lot of parents or people out there who probably have a situation similar to ours, and I just want to know, like, how does that I guess like how does it feel parenting afar and then actually being in person and parenting?
Yeah, when I the farm, I feel like my parent at all.
Really? So you don't feel like you have no.
No, nobody will tell me say you don't know him. You say me no, nobody tell me say I don't know him.
So how was it watching me give birth over FaceTime?
Rough.
What parts of it was rough?
Probably me can't hold on to you. And say okay, it's okay, baby, it's okay.
You being like basically in the room on the phone the whole time. At what point during the labor scared you the most?
You see you can't push him out. You're too big.
Oh, when I was struggling. Y'all, I think I was in labor for about maybe
9 days, something.
Shit, deal up. About almost 24 hours. But a little less than that. Maybe like 17 hours. But it was so smooth. But he was on the video call the whole time. It was so interesting. What is a piece of advice you would give somebody who's in our situation? Like, you know, being in a long distance relationship and having a child. And then having to like solo parent and then also like having to balance out life coming together.
Like if they already have one or them plan to have one?
Already have one. Or both.
Well, if they not have money, I would advise them say, wait till you all been together. Nice same environment, same location. Because majority of pressure going only upon one.
So you would just advise like for them to wait until they get into one place together. What about somebody who's already in a situation?
No, you just have to do it until you can get in the same space together.
What's the greatest thing that you've learned about yourself throughout parenthood or through parenting?
No, not much no different.
You don't think so?
Not much no different.
I think for me, I've learned like that I am a very patient person, but I really have to work on procrastination because I tend to procrastinate a lot and I didn't realize it. So becoming a parent just made me realize like it's a lot of stuff that you can't procrastinate on, or it'll put your child in just a worse situation. Like as far as like making sure that I'm scheduling things properly and all that stuff. What's some advice you would give somebody that's in a relationship with someone from a different culture? How you and I are.
Well, you have to know, so you're not come from the same culture, you know, so certain things are different. You're going to like certain things where the next person not, but like at the moment, because certain things can grow on a person. Like for example, dumpling. Yeah.
See, you put my business out there.
I know your business. Is that your business? You want to tell them it's your business?
No. Okay, so you say it's just adapting. How am I so funny?
You're nervous and I got to turn them into cousins or friends.
Okay.
I've been with triplet, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me you are a star, so still. Even though I found your pretty ass out in Mobile. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no.
I really don't know if I'm feeling how this is going, but it's gonna look better than what it looked like before.
No fret, man. You know how you know.
Y'all, this man he did my eyebrows when he was high one time. And I couldn't believe it. Then had the audacity to not even tell me he was high. Shameful.
You say shame on him.
Shame on him. Shameful, y'all.
When I come up before me,
What?
after the beach.
Oh, you gonna go get your hair done?
No, I get it done when I feel like it, so I'm not somebody, you know.
Yeah, we both need to get ourselves together. We have not been pouring into self-care.
I agree with you.
Oh, I feel like you're taking too much off, honey.
Honey, at the outside area, honey.
Don't do that. This man know how to do all different accents.
No, sir.
He shy, y'all. Or you know, that's just the act that, you know, some men put on, acting like they shy, but they really not shy. But I think you just doing a little too much.
You know what?
I think you taking too much off of the corn, the front part. I don't know. All right, y'all. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope this video was, you know, what can I say? I hope it was entertaining. Yeah, we sitting at the same time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all like this video. And turn on your post notifications because the series just keeps going on. But yeah, bye.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back.